Hello, Harris here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix all issues and problems with the Etsy app on iOS. So first what you want to do is go up to the App Store, go to the Find, Etsy, and then look if there is the available update on your app. If there is, this update should be where you have the update open bar. There should be update bar. If there is not, this means you have the newest version and everything should be alright. But if it's not, if you have still issues with your app, there's more ways to find out what the issue is. Go to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, go here, find your Etsy app, hit Etsy, and you need to check if everything is alright with the settings fabric. Like here, everything on fabric settings, language, your language, background refresh on, and everything should be good. But if there is not good and you have still some issues, problems, the better way to do this is go here, Etsy app, remove app, uninstall, you uninstall this, go to Etsy and reinstall this again, and everything should be alright. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.